here at the Cars of Dreams show and museum. We're getting kicked out, so we're gonna go. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're heading down to Palm Beach, so let's check out South Florida and explore that area. We have a boat day going on tomorrow, so excited to share that with you guys. It's gonna be fun. Motorcycle after motorcycle, lots of bikes everywhere. We're actually about to pass up a few right here. And I realized it is actually Bike Week here in Daytona Beach, which is on the east coast of Central Florida in the United States. And it's basically where like people come from all over the United States, come from all over the nation, different states, different cities, and they actually come down on their motorcycles or bring their motorcycles, and they all hang out and basically just like party for a week in Daytona Beach. And it's really famous for this because it's all like motorcycle bike riders, so that's why we're witnessing what you guys see, and lots of bikes everywhere. It's kind of cool to see all the different bikes, and they usually dress them all up and they soup them up, which means like they put a lot of different things and make them all pretty shiny. It's kind of like a little bit of a competition too, I think, but they probably won't say that. South Florida, or hitting South Florida when you see palm trees. South Florida is known for just palm trees everywhere, so the entire greenery changes as you go more south Florida. Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. We found out that this was kind of a special event because this car show and the museum itself is actually only open one time a year. So we were just lucky enough to happen to be in the area and be here to show you guys all these really cool old school classic cars. Some beautiful cars, huh? Inside the engine, look how that car even opens, the top of that one. The engine opens to the side. It's amazing. So many beautiful cars. Oh, some of them are for sale too, look. Some are just for show, some are for sale. Oh, he set the alarm off. Oh, no. Oopsie. That little one, I like that. That's so cool. So cute. That convertible. We're gonna go check out some cars.
Yeah.
Hello. Or to Christian. So this whole area is just packed with them. A lot of these are for sale too. Cars probably cost more than like your house, you know what I mean? It's crazy. They have the Daytona bike show, Central Florida, and the car show in South Florida. This is really cute. I like this car. This is like really English style, don't you think? See, this would be fun to drive down the road, don't you think? Look at even that little golf cart they have. So all these rows are just filled with cars. Here's the Corvette Club. Because these are all the club Corvettes. You can see inside the engines. That one has a bunch of awards in it. So this is kind of cool. I like props. We got props, like an old school American diner. Like a little puppy skin. That looks like a little school bus. So long. These cars are so cool. Like I could be there and you could be there. That would be fun.
I have to be there?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I was joking. No, that's like I always picture like the person there with their dog with the little goggles on. I like the colors though. See, you like that probably, right?
Yeah.
You're a motorcycle guy. We have some photo shoots going on. The police are there. They're allowed back there. It's got the VIP seating. This is amazing, this place. Reminds me a little bit to Johnny Rockets. If you don't know what that is, it's an American chain restaurant. We got Dodge. Got lots of people everywhere. Last 30 minutes of the show, so.
I thought I was seeing that one.
You can see me in that one? That little thing? Yeah, I could see myself. I could honestly see myself in any of these. I could pull it off. Even this. Old school Volkswagen. I'm gonna give you the full tour so you see everything. As best as we can. These last 30 minutes, we have a lot of ground to cover. 1951 Chevrolet pickup. Look at that Ford. Yeah, that's a 1978. It's not that old comparison. 1972 GMC. It's a Cadillac Eldorado. It's the rarest car in the entire show. Look at those shot glasses. That doesn't seem very safe. This was before drinking and driving was a bad thing, right? So you get to have a gas tank in the back over here, which I've never seen that before. That's where that's the gas. 1957.